Hi friends, welcome back to Cubicle Talks with Avik. Today's topic is very simple yet very useful, I would say. I'm making this video out of public demand. I've got around 5 to 6 comments on my Instagram handle that why didn't you make a video on this. So I thought, yes, I think I have made a video on this previously, but again, I thought of making this video out of this topic. So the name of the topic is how to write a better resume. सो सबको ही पता है, रेज्यूमे बोल दो, सीवी बोल दो, बायोडाटा बोल दो. बायोडाटा आजकल कोई बोलता नहीं है, सीवी बोलता है. बट माई मेन हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस वीडियो वुड बी bringing up some topics and some important pointers which will be very simple and which will be very simple to execute basically. So let's get into the topic, and before getting to the topic, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for your never ending support you have been giving me. So let's start. How to write a better resume. ये क्वेश्चन ना ज़्यादातर आई गेट दिस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द junior management people and the middle management people who has the experience between 1 to 8 years, because after 8 years and 10 years you get a gist of how to write a resume. एक आइडिया मिल जाता है. But those who are new to the industry, those who are new to the IT industry or the corporate jobs, they often ask this question that how do I write a resume? So let's start this. First and foremost mantra is the format should be very simple. आजकल बहुत तामझाम हो गया है in terms of the resume formats. There are so many AI based websites which will kind of help you to make the resumes in a very dazzling manner, I would say. But mera suggestion out of my 20 years of experience in the HR, my suggestion would be to be simple as much as you can. Simple yet tidy. Resume के ज़्यादा complicated मत बनाओ. I often see recruiters rejecting those resumes which has too many graphs, too many storytelling things, because you need to understand the recruiters receive at least 100 to 200 resumes, and they have also a pressure from their managers to sort the resumes and forward the resumes, screen the resumes, and then forward the resumes to their managers or the hiring managers. तो कोई भी रिक्रूटर्स आपका बैठ के ना वो स्टोरी और ये फॉर्मेट देख के नहीं करेंगे. सिंपली दैट वुड बी रिजेक्टेड. सो माई सजेशन वुड बी to be as simple as you can. So there is an option in MS Word where you can download some simple templates, old school templates based on which you can make the resume. The second point is the fonts. The fonts plays an important role in your resume. ज़्यादा छोटा फॉन्ट करोगे तो रिक्रूटर्स देखेंगे नहीं, उसको रिजेक्ट. as I told, recruiters does not have enough time to put an extra effort to screen your resume. They will, जो भी आएगा सामने देखेंगे, 3-4 लाइन पढ़ लिया, जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन मैच हो रहा है, बस फॉरवर्ड कर दो. अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो they will not waste time. As I told you, they have utmost pressure from their managers, from their recruitment managers, that जल्दी जल्दी करो, जल्दी जल्दी प्रोफाइल भेजो. ठीक है. एंड कोई भी गलत प्रोफाइल अगर चला गया ना तो उनको जार मिलता है. दे गेट अ स्कोल्डिंग और दे गेट एन एस्केलेशन फ्रॉम द हायरिंग मैनेजर्स. क्या है तुम्हारा बंदा, क्या कैसा रेज्यूमे भेजते हो यार, पढ़ के भेजा करो, ये करो. तो ये चीज़ होता है. सो द फॉन्ट्स शुड बी रियली सिंपलिस्टिक एंड readable, I would say. So you can choose a font from Times New Roman or Arial. That is my suggestion. Don't go for any this thing Calibri and all these fancy fonts, does not help. Be as much as simple as you can. Third, मेरे पास 5-6 I've received around 5 to 6 resumes this month which has got stories written in it. I've achieved this, so this. The matlab, you should not put stories on your resume. I am making it very clear that one should not put stories on the resume. Your resume should have the points, the main job, your roles and responsibility, your achievements in some bullet points, and that's all. इंटरव्यू होता क्या है? अगर सब कुछ आप रेज्यूमे में बता दोगे तो इंटरव्यू में क्या बचा रहेगा? कुछ नहीं. सो डोंट पुट योर एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेकिंग समरीज इन द रेज्यूमे. डज नॉट हेल्प. बुलेट पॉइंट्स डाल दो, छोड़ दो, एंड यू कैन इलैबोरेट दोज पॉइंट्स इन योर रेज्यूमे, out of your resume during your interview. Obviously that's what the interview is all about. Okay, you have to elaborate those pointers. The next point, many people, पहले ज़माने में होता था कि they used to write hobbies. My hobbies are listening to music, reading books, playing golf. भाई हायरिंग मैनेजर ये सब को कोई भी कुछ भी मतलब नहीं होता. डोंट पुट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. दोज आर, आई वुड से, अटर रबिश. हम लोग कॉर्पोरेट में यूज़ करते हैं अटर रबिश रेज्यूमे, तो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ देम. डोंट पुट हॉबीज़. नोबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड. हॉबीज़ बाद में देखा जाएगा, जब HR एंगेजमेंट होगा तब बता देना, तब ठीक है. बट इन योर रेज्यूमेस यू शुड नॉट पुट योर हॉबीज़ एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. डज नॉट मेक सेंस. स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस, ये भी लोग डालते हैं रेज्यूमे में कि what are my strengths and weakness. मत डालो. Does not help. Your resume will be, will be thrown out of the this thing. It will go to the recycle bin. पहले ज़माना होगा तो मैं बोलता कि डस्टबिन में चलाया गया, बट अभी तो सब कुछ everything is in a soft copy, so it will go to the recycle bin. Alt del हो गया. Your resume will be lost somewhere. So don't write स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेस. अगर ये चीज़ पूछा जाएगा तो इंटरव्यू में पक्का ये चीज़ पूछेगा, अगर हायरिंग मैनेजर इज ईगर टू नो योर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेस, बट डोंट पुट दोज थिंग्स इन द रेज्यूमे. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, डोंट मेंशन एनी कॉन्फिडेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन योर रेज्यूमे. ये रेज्यूमे ना बहुत लोगों के हाथ जाता है in terms of you giving the, you submitting the resume to the recruiters and recruiters taking the printout or forwarding that email to someone from the team, some team leaders, and the team leaders will be again, किसका क्या intention है आपको पता नहीं है. Though there is a confidentiality agreement, GDPR agreement in the company, but you never know. हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बहुत लोग अपना पासपोर्ट नंबर देते हैं. कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. पासपोर्ट नंबर दे के कोई भी फ़ायदा नहीं है. Don't mention your passport number or your Aadhaar number in your resume. This is a strict no. This is the confidential information. Only when asked, please do it. Otherwise, don't give it. Okay. The next point would be your overall resume should be as crisp as possible. Don't create resumes which have several pages. पहले ही मैं बता चुका हूँ कि किसी के पास टाइम है नहीं इतना पढ़ने का. रेज्यूमे जितना छोटा होगा उतना अच्छा है. हाँ, रेज्यूमे फॉर मी, फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव गॉट 20 years of experience and I have switched over few companies. So in these cases, when you are in the senior position, in terms of mentioning your company roles and responsibilities, वो gradually बढ़ जाता है. But intentionally, just to make your resumes a bunch of paper, don't do it. It will straightly go to the recycle bin. So the main summary of the main lesson, or the main, if I need to summarize the whole thing, please create resumes as simple as you can. That is the mool mantra of this topic. Last but not the least, don't put company jargons. Some jargons, some kind of I would say short forms which you use in the company. Okay, for example, ESS, MSS, and these are common though, but some other jargons which is exclusively used in your company, for example my HR portal, or ask HR portal, or ask IT, all these terminologies are used in specific companies, so don't mention, because if I am the hiring manager I'll simply wonder कि ये सब क्या है, because those jargons are, or those short forms may be popular in your company but outsiders may not know. So you need to simplify those short terms and then write if you have to write. अगर आपको लगे कि these things can be avoided, don't write it. Okay. And remember one thing, your resume, the format of the resume, the format, the gaps, the spaces should be appropriate. एक रेज्यूमे को देख के ना अच्छा लगना चाहिए कि हाँ ये तो एकदम नीट एंड टाइडी रेज्यूमे है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तो चलो एक देख के ना एक इम्प्रेशन क्रिएट होता है रेज्यूमे देख के ना, एक यू टेंड टू क्रिएट अ इम्प्रेशन अबाउट अ कैंडिडेट कि कैसा होगा वो, हाउ मच एफर्ट यू हैव पुट. आई नो आउट ऑफ योर बिजी स्केड्यूल्स, for people who's got experience of 3 to 8 years, out of your busy schedules you're making your resumes because आप मैनेजर से परेशान हो, या तो आपको बोनस नहीं मिला इसलिए आप यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, और कुछ टॉक्सिक चीज़ें हैं, तो आउट ऑफ दोज बिजी स्केड्यूल्स यू आर मेकिंग रेज्यूमेज, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट प्लीज मेक एन एफर्ट टू एटलीस्ट प्रिपेयर योर रेज्यूमे इन अ प्रेजेंटेबल मैनर. सो होप आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ how to write a better resume, please do not hesitate to reach out to me on my Instagram handle, on the YouTube comment section, and I'll try to resolve all the all the comments I receive from you guys. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.